guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Monica Marin. So I'm staying here Kerala Trishul district. This is my first video, so please support me and share, like, and subscribe. Also, I'm so nervous because this is my first video. I don't know how to do reaction, but it's a little bit just in the introductions. I don't know how to express because I'm so happy. So many times I plan to do a vlog, but finally today it gonna happen. So guys, I'm staying here outside of this church, but I don't know exactly the name of this church. So in Chalakudi, far from this campus. So I don't know. Yeah. So I'll show you. This is very beautiful place. So that we got anytime. So come and visit this place. It's very nice, and this church is wow, so beautiful church. Okay, so this I want to show you. First thing I have me and Eva here. So yeah, we'll go together. See that? I don't know what is this. This is the parking, and they prepared church. Because Christmas. Prepare Christmas. Prepare Christmas. I love you, please. See, wow. Wow. So guys, I think this is enough. This is enough. So I will see you later on the next video. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget. Bye.